Welcome to today's video where we'll guide you through the minimum software, tools, and techniques required to start Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or switching from another language, this video will help you get started on the right foot. Let's dive in. Python Interpreter. The first thing you'll need is Python itself. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language. You can download it from the official website, python.org. Make sure to choose the latest version compatible with your operating system. Integrated Development Environment (IDE). Host. To write and run Python code efficiently, it's highly recommended to use an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. There are several popular options available, but two of the most widely used are Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Download and install VS Code from code.visualstudio.com. Install the Python extension to enhance your Python development experience. PyCharm. Download and install the free community edition of PyCharm from jetbrains.com/pycharm. PyCharm offers a range of features specifically designed for Python developers. Code Editor. If you prefer a lighter weight option over a full-fledged IDE, you can use a code editor. Some popular code editors for Python include Sublime Text. Download and install Sublime Text from sublimetext.com. Atom. Download and install Atom from atom.io. These editors are highly customizable and can be tailored to your preferences with the help of Python-related packages and extensions. Python Libraries and Packages. Python has a rich ecosystem of libraries and packages that extend its capabilities. You can easily install and manage these using Python's package manager, pip. Here's how to get started. Installing packages. Open your command prompt or terminal. Use the command pip install package_name to install the desired package. Common libraries. Some commonly used libraries include NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and requests. You can explore and install them as needed for your projects. Online resources. Host. Learning Python is an ongoing journey, and there are countless online resources available to help you along the way. Some key resources include Official Python documentation, python.org/doc/. Online Python tutorials, websites like python.org, W3 Schools, and Real Python offer beginner-friendly tutorials and documentation. Forums and communities. Platforms like Stack Overflow and Reddit's Learn Python are great places to seek help and connect with other Python enthusiasts. Practice. Finally, the most crucial aspect of learning Python is practice. Start with simple projects, work on coding challenges, and gradually build your skills. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain experience and collaborate with others. Conclusion. To recap, starting Python programming requires a few essential elements. Python Interpreter, IDE or code editor, Python libraries and packages, online resources, dedication and practice. With these tools and techniques, you are well on your way to becoming a proficient Python programmer. Remember, the key is consistent practice and a passion for learning. Good luck on your Python journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy coding.